I ate like half a pint of Nadamu chocolate ice cream last night and I'm feeling a little heavy, you know what I mean?
You stole my heart of gold.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristell and I wanted to show you today what I do for cardio now that I'm in a muscle building phase. So when I do cardio, it's more like EMOM style workouts, HIIT style circuit training, but I incorporate that in between my exercises and specifically more so on my upper body and arm days because I just don't have the energy to do that on my lower body leg days. Today's workout is going to be an example of like my cardio now. This type of a workout also has amazing fat burning benefits. Of course, it's going to get your metabolism going and you're going to jumpstart your weight loss for your fitness journey. I will be doing some biceps, back, chest, triceps, abdominals. So it's like a full body sweat sesh. All right, you guys, I'm gonna get warmed up and get this workout going. So I'll see you soon. It's about 24 degrees outside and snowing, so I'm freezing cold. And this is how I like to warm up. Just really high intensity, short bursts of cardio. This is my all-time favorite way to burn fat and keep that nice lean muscle that I work so hard for. Jumping into the very first exercise is going to be a compound movement. So it's going to be a bent over row deadlift with a squat and a bicep curl. This is such a good example of a full body workout. You're going to bend over with your back flat, legs straight. Make sure your core is nice and tight and you're gonna row those weights, squeezing your elbows into your body. Imagine your elbows are gonna go right through the ceiling. Don't forget to focus on the muscle to mind connection, squeezing your back nice and tight. Feeling that nice stretch in your hamstring as you're bent over. And then sitting your hips back and down, pressing into your heels as you come into your bicep curl. And remember, don't let your knees bow in. Keep them nice and wide right over those toes. Okay, no rest in between here, so go right into this next exercise. You can either have one weight or no weights. You're just going to be in a sumo position, same stance as you were the last exercise. And you're going to squat down and jump up. So these are just jump squats, and I'm simply just switching my grip with my weight. And it makes it harder. Okay, here we go. Second exercise. We're going to go ahead and do rear delt flies with a front raise. So you're going to come into a bent over position, pull your core into your spine, squeeze your glutes, press your hips to the wall behind you. All of the weight goes into your heels, and you're going to fly those weights up to the ceiling. As you do this, remember we're working the back of the shoulder, the rear delt. So keep that muscle to mind connection there. So check out my elbows and my pinky. As you can see, as I fly the weights to the ceiling, my pinky is leading up to the ceiling and lined up with my elbow, which targets the rear delts. Make sure to keep your head down and look at the ground as you're doing this. Try not to look at yourself in the mirror. Throws your body out of correct alignment because your head is an extension of your spine. For the front raise, you want to make sure your shoulders are back and down. Squeeze your back together. You want to bend your elbows just slightly as you lift the weights just to eye height. Okay, 30 seconds of cardio right here. I'm just doing jumping jacks. I like to do these with weights. It makes it a little bit harder, but if you're a beginner, just throw the weights down and do this movement with no weight. Remember to keep those elbows a little bit in front of your body to protect those shoulders. Who here loves working shoulders? In fact, what is your favorite body part to work? Tell me in the comments below. I'm super curious. I absolutely love working shoulders. So if I'm not sore and I have an opportunity to do a movement with shoulders, I'm going to do it because I'm really trying to get stronger in that area and grow some shoulder boulders. Okay, we're almost done. 2 more exercise combinations. So we're gonna go ahead and do some reverse lunges with a front raise and a fly. Okay, so I know this can be confusing sometimes for people, but just remember, as your right leg comes back straight, your right arm goes forward straight. And then that same exact movement, my left leg is bent and my left arm is out to the side into my fly. Make sure that you do keep your elbows in front of your body slightly to protect that shoulder. If you are a beginner, I would suggest using really light weight, like 2.5 or 5s, because this gets very, very tiring. Make sure that those weights do not come above eye height. And your arms are basically just in a horizontal position, as you can see right here. Okay, here we go into our cardio portion of the superset exercise. These are alternating jump lunges. So as you can see here, as my left arm comes back, then my left leg comes forward, and that helps me not fall over. And I can go a lot faster and use the momentum of my body to really speed everything up and burn more fat. Get more high intensity endurance training going on. Just remember to breathe through it, pull your belly button to your spine, and really press through those heels. All right, here we go into the final and last exercise. This is such a great exercise to get some boobies going on for you ladies that are lacking in that area, or the armpit fat too. A lot of people struggle with that, and this will just tone that right up. Ooh, honey, you're gonna be good to go. Okay, let's do this. Let's crush it. So you're gonna get into a bridge. As you can see, my butt's off the ground. Pull your belly button into your spine, tighten it all up. Feet are about hip width apart. Press through those heels, tighten your glutes, lift your hips to the ceiling, but not too high. You just wanna have a nice straight line from shoulders to knees. You're gonna bring the weights down into a tricep chest press, a wide chest press, and a fly. So that's 1 rep. Make sure you use a lighter weight because those flies can be kind of hard on your shoulders as well. So just be real careful and mindful of that so you don't hurt yourself. Straight into some abdominals with a press. I absolutely love this exercise. So you're gonna hold the weight above your head and you're just gonna press it through the ceiling as you sit up to straight. I slightly bend my knees a little bit as I'm rolling up and down on my spine. Each vertebra is hitting the mat like a string of pearls on a glass table. So I'll usually do a higher intensity workout day 1 or 2 times a week, but I still want to challenge myself and build endurance, so that's why I'm adding some weights in. And to be totally honest, I really feel like it's made me even stronger when I go to lift on my other days. Last exercise in this tri-set sequence, that means 3 exercises in a row with no rest in between. We are getting our hop on. So we're just hopping over the mat, or you don't need a mat to do this. And you don't need the weights either for that matter. But I said I wanted to add in some weights to challenge myself, so that is what I'm doing here. You really want to press from side to side. Remember, use that core to execute that motion. I did 3 sets of this whole entire circuit. My cardio bouts were 30 seconds each, as intense as you can. And I will write the whole entire workout in the description box below for you guys. So that was my high intensity upper body workout circuit. This is what I usually do on an upper body day only if I'm not lifting super heavy, so that I can get more of an intense cardio, sweat, fat burning situation going on. So if you're a beginner, try this. All you need is 5-pound weights. I used 15, but you need to do you, boo, because everybody is on their own journey. So I just did this workout 3 times through. I'm tired, and all I'm gonna go do now is 5 minutes of HIIT on the treadmill, and I'm gonna be done because I ate like half a pint of Nadamu chocolate ice cream last night, and I'm feeling a little heavy, you know what I mean? So anyway, I will see you guys next time. I hope you enjoyed that workout. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Again, I'm waiting for your requests. What do you guys want to see? Oh, I have one more question for you guys. So I'm thinking of changing my channel name to my real name, Kristell Foss. I did start my channel a while ago and I just named it Fit Foss because I'm in the fitness industry and my last name is Foss. But my name is Kristell Foss, so I thought I would change my channel name and my Instagram name. What do you guys think? I'd love to know your opinion. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe, so you never miss this face Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I will see you guys on Friday. Bye.